Hello, all. My name is Krishnaik, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today in this video, I have an amazing announcement for every one of you because this was one of the most requested thing from the past 3 to 4 months. As you all know, in Krishnaik Academy, we have almost launched all the batches that are related to data, and we really want to revolve ourselves specifically with respect to data related courses. So we have launched big data course, we have launched computer vision course, we have launched NLP with generative AI course, we have launched agentic AI course, and soon in the next month we are also going to launch data science, the complete data science bootcamp course also, right? um, so in this, many people also requested, Krish, can we probably get the entire course in one subscription plan, right? And that is where we are coming up with this entire subscription plan. It is called as Krishnaik Academy Pro Subscription, the complete AI mastery bundle. Please make sure that you watch this video till the end because I will be talking about the entire features of this particular bundle and what all things you will be able to get. Okay. So first of all, let me just reload this page so that you should be able to see it. So here in this Krishnaik Academy Pro subscription, the complete AI mastery bundle, we are focusing on providing all the data related courses. Okay, all the live specifically boot camps. Like currently, if you probably see, these are all the boot camps that is going running on, right? So we have this live building agentic AI application, we have complete big data boot camp, we have advanced NLP generative AI boot camp, then we have computer vision with generative AI boot camp, and these are all the weekly sessions that we have already completed. So this all access also you will be specifically getting, right? Now, in all this specific boot camp, the live classes are specifically going on based on your comfort, based on your time. You will be specifically getting the mail wherein you can also join all these kind of live sessions. Okay, so the idea is that you should be able to learn everything that is specifically in my platform, Krishnaik Academy, just at one subscription cost. And this subscription validity is for 1 year. This is a very important statement. So here you'll be able to see that this entire subscription, it comes with an yearly subscription. So for entire 365 days, you should be able to see any course, you should be able to attend any live session, you should be able to see any recorded videos, everything, right? So we are trying to include data science, machine learning, NLP also. Then you have deep learning, computer vision, generative AI and agentic AI, end-to-end industry projects, live classes with recordings, everything you'll be able to access. Okay. Then this is one very important update. Whenever a new course or an updated version of the existing course is released, it will be updated and added to your dashboard at no extra cost. Let's say that if live building agentic AI and generative AI with cloud gets completed, right? We will also put this entire dashboard in the form of recordings, and whenever the new course will come, we will also add that particular access, in your dashboard in this specific bundle itself, right? So that way, if you want to probably go ahead with the recorded version, you should be able to go ahead. If you want to probably attend the live session, you should be able to have the access of both of them. Okay. And as I said, this entire thing comes with a subscription of 1 year, right? And then you'll be able to get as discussed, you'll be able to get the community group, each and everything, where you can chat with your friends, with your peers. After the classes, we also have a doubt clearing sessions and many more things, right? So here, join a thriving community of learners and gain industry ready AI skills through interactive live session, hands-on exercises, and real world application. You can reach out to our counseling team if you have any queries. I'll be able to help you out in case of anything that you have, right? Now, let's say that you have taken this particular subscription. This subscription comes up with a cost of 17,700 for people who are in India. This is inclusive of GST. See, guys, I cannot skip this GST part. I have to probably give it to the government. So overall, if you see the course of the cost of the course is 15,000, and if I include GST, it is something around 17,700. And this is for all the courses that are probably going to come up in Krishnaik Academy Pro. Like in the next month, we are coming up with data science, and after that, one more month later, we are also coming up with data analytics course, live bootcamp, right? So you should be able to attend all these live boot camps and courses at no cost. You should be able to watch the recordings for the entire year itself. So this is what is the pro subscription all about. That is the reason I have written become AI pro developer. So that is what, because many people will ask for prerequisite if they really want to learn agentic AI. So I came up with a plan wherein we should be able to provide each and everything. Once you probably go ahead and enroll it, okay, Then in your courses section, if you probably go, you should be able to see all these courses. See, Ultimate Data Science and Generative AI Bootcamp. This is basically getting launched on March. Then you have this, then you have this, then you have big data, then you have NLP generative AI. See, if I probably go ahead with big data, you should be able to watch all the recordings over here. So here you can see all the prerequisites, everything, the course recording along with the date, everything you should be able to watch each and everything, right? And this all are DRM protected videos. So obviously you cannot cheat and probably download the video. That is not possible. So we are making sure that you probably get the entire access till 1 year. And later on, whichever sessions are probably coming up in the future, you can also attend that, right? So that is our entire plan. Now, along with this, in the messages section, you should be also able to get the access to this community group wherein you can probably chat it with your friends, anything that you have a discussion, any crucial things you want to probably discuss over here. Let it be related to a topic. If there's some job referrals, people also post over here and all, you should be able to see that, right? So everything altogether you should be doing. And once you probably take this course, you should also be able to see all the workshops links, which will actually help you to join. This will get enabled 15 minutes before the session starts, like the live session starts. And you should also be getting a mail in your email ID related to the link how to join, right? Like tomorrow we have this entire big data class, we have the Gen AI class and all. So everything is probably available over here. So here you can see that you can probably attend it. Similarly, whatever workshops is basically conducted, all the links will be visible over here. So I hope you like this particular announcement. Our main aim is to probably help users to get more as much as possible, so that you should also love the kind of learning who is specifically related or interested in the data field, who wants to know everything related to in and outs, with specifically related to data technologies, from big data to computer vision to NLP to generative AI to data science. Everything will be in one place. So I hope you like this particular video. And yes, you can probably contact our counseling team in case of any queries. They will be able to guide you at any point of time. They're not just going to sell you, but they'll try to understand what you specifically require, and based on that, we should be able to provide you suggestion. So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. And see, many people will think, Krish, is this more amount like 17,700? Understand, guys, for the full year, every courses that are coming up in Krishnaik Academy, uh, you can attend the session, and all the courses specifically will be in the range of 4 to 5 months. So a year subscription will be more than sufficient to cover all the courses. If you want to continue the subscription, because we will be repeating this kind of batches again once a specific batch completes. Like let's say that if my live building agentic AI, this is a 4 to 5 months batch. If we complete after 5 months, we'll be launching this specific course again. And we specifically, I'm probably creating my team who will be able to cater you related to data technologies itself. We are not going to expand more than this, because we are only interested in teaching data related subjects, right? So I hope you like this particular video. This was it from my side. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Take care.